New Haval SUV called Cool Dog. The premiere of the serial version of the new Haval SUV took place last year, but the official name of the car was still unknown. The prototype was called X-Dog, but it was assumed that the product version would have a different name. So in the end it happened. Moreover, users of the Chinese social network Weibo allowed to choose a name for the new Haval model. Meanwhile, new photos of the SUV appeared on the web, the details of which, compared to the previously shown options, were slightly reworked. So, for example, hidden door handles were replaced with regular ones, and the roof received both a regular color and white or black, optional. As expected earlier, Cool Dog will be inferior in size to its older brother Haval Dargo, which should reach Russia this year. The length of the car will be 4,520 mm, width -1875 mm, height -1745 mm with a wheelbase of 2,710 mm. Despite the smaller size, the curb weight of the Cool Dog will be higher than that of the Dargo -1623 and 1710 kg, depending on the version. Under the hood of the Haval Cool Dog is a 1.5-liter supercharged gasoline engine that produces 177 horsepower. What the interior of the car will look like, as well as what its price list will be, is still unknown. According to rumors, this information will be declassified in April 2022 at the Beijing Auto Show.